Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to Sporty. No. Hey madoda. Yeah, ziyakhala. Welcome to PKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Indaba ziphumile. Team Sukaza rejected an offer from Mamelodi Sundowns for the services of Puso Ditejane, the most wanted player eMzansi. But that doesn't mean ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns cannot sign him. Because if they send a second offer that is higher than the one that they offered, I think Team Sukazi might be tempted because we know Guti, this is business. And when it is business, it simply means Guti, the more they keep on pushing, the more they are edging closer to getting their men. But asikho lapho kakhulu, hopeful ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs isinqumo sayo sokuthi they won't sign any players in this transfer window angeke ebafakela amanzi endlini. But for the services of Puso Ditejane, I think the special player uBoba khuluma ngaso, he's one of those players that I can say ukuthi he's special. But for now, the important thing ukuthi let's not allow pressure to get on us, because manje ke sekuzogcina manje kufostwa izinto bese lapho ke ezingahambi ngendlela. But another thing, I think the fact that they mentioned ukuthi njengoba babheniwe for ukusign ama players, it makes it difficult for them ukuthi benze njani ba release most of the available players, especially to clubs that they will compete with, that will also make it difficult for them to win against them. Because uPuso Ditejane, he can go to Mamelodi Sundowns, fit in like a glove. He can go to Kaizer Chiefs if Kaizer Chiefs they see that there's a need for him with Bamsine. Because on that left wing, we do have more players. That's why I don't see it as it maybe it might be a loss to Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, he's a player that is exciting to watch, to be honest. Especially after witnessing his growth ukuze afike la khona. Now because the Chiefs, I won't say bayazola for letting him go, but this is football. Akunama regrets, but you learn. These are experiences that you need to go through so that you can understand. But let's talk about Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kahle if there's a chance kuzoba difficult also ukuthi bamsign, because club to club agreement might be important for Kaizer Chiefs, because they know very well they do have that mutual relationship with Team Sukazi. It can be easy to get to Puso Ditejane. But now there's an agent that is involved, and an agent can easily convince his player between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns, go to Mamelodi Sundowns, because at Sundowns we are standing on a higher chance of going to the national team. Since we are in the year of the FIFA World Cup, nakanjani, he might be tempted, because if he gets that opportunity to play for Mamelodi Sundowns and he impresses Hugo Broos and he performs, and if he adapts quickly, kuzoba simple ukuthi bamselect to Bafana Bafana, and he might go to a World Cup. Because we saw even Agutes Galaxy, he was raising his hand, but I think it was a matter of experience beyenza ukuthi bangamselect because he's that good, but the experience bengamkhahlele. But now the thing is uTeam Sukazi ukhala ngento yodwa ukuthi no, imali enilethile the Shushan and Piano Boys ayigculisi, and to risk ukuthi ngihambise my available player nge price cheap while I know ukuthi I won't be able to replace him, it makes it more difficult. That's why now we see ukuthi phuma istory esikhuluma ngoPuso Ditejane, because yena uzozwa sekuthiwa khona team yase Europe or abroad has signed him for a good price. Because with Team Sukazi, yes, he might have a good relationship with Kaizer Chiefs, but he always has his own best interest at heart, because he understands business. Could you let emotions aside, things that are personal aside, but make sure to focus on the growth of your team, because he's one president that I can say or team owner that always complains about ukuthi ama teams are finding it difficult to get ama sponsors so that they can be able ukuthi bathole the resources that the big three have so that they can compete. That's why we see with every chance ayitholayo, even though at some point it doesn't maximize, but it restricts him from ukuthi abe that competitive club, because every season he has to lose available players because mele athole imali so that he can be able ukuthi akwazi ukubalansisa on the team, because we know ukuthi owning a team, it is difficult and it is expensive. But now obvious the offer that will come that is appealing, regardless ukuthi angeke amreplace uRitejane, he'll find another diamond, especially if their DDC team is doing well. But for now, what Kaizer Chiefs needs to do in order ukuthi bayenzeni ba entice uPhuso Rithejane to come and play for Kaizer Chiefs, abuye ekhaya, akhishwe imali that they cannot resist. That's the only way. But as Bobby Mtaung said, ukuthi no, we are not going to sign any players. It needs a special player. So they have to break the bank for him if they want him, because kuzovele kube situation ecishe ifani namashi neka Oswin apolice, bese sekuthiwa ukuthi no, we dodge a bullet here after abene bad 2 games 3 games after masekashisa icourt sekuyaqalwa. But there's no time ukuthi is a regret, but the only thing ukuthi sifake emqondweni ukuthi let's wait and see ukuthi what will Kaizer Chiefs do, because every decision that they can take, surely it will be criticized. It's either a good decision or a bad decision, because angisho badume ngokuthi bona bayaphoxana, especially to their fans. I don't know ukuthi nina niyibona kanjani, because vele Sundowns iyamfuna, and as you can see ukuthi they are bolstering their squad. But enye into engimangazi ukuthi are they signing these players for Ukadoso, or there's someone that they have in mind that is going to replace Ukadoso? Because I remember, if I'm not mistaken, and I stand to be corrected, he once said that he doesn't want a squad that has many players because it is difficult to manage a huge squad. But now they've brought some players, I think it's 3 now. Khulumani Ndamane, Brian Leon, including Munapula Saling. Not unless there will be players that will leave Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe that's why they are signing these players as a replacement. But I think Kuntabele uzobuyele move as a loan. Yeah, I think number 1 who uzohamba tiki. But for each Chiefs, now they have a lot of players. They need to trim their squad. They have to trim their squad, because who left doing away he operates usually Rithejane. It's crowded lapana. Sno Modi, Sno Lilepo, Sno Velepai, no Shabalala sebeyamdlalisa as a left wing. That's why I see it good. In Kaizer Chiefs, that's why they don't feel like they need to bolster their squad, because they have many players. Other players can play in different positions. They are very utility players. That's why Sibabona nje ukuthi pholiwe kuzinze. But I wouldn't blame them. Even if we sign uPhuso Rithejane, even if we don't sign uPhuso Rithejane, what is important is to see what is their plan, because surely they have a plan. Because I think another thing is that we just fired a coach Unabi that brought players, that they bought players for him and they were harmed. And the manje, it will become difficult to banga sign players now if maybe they have a plan at the end of the season they get a new coach. What if that coach, those players that they sign now, angeke akwazi ukuwasebenzisa? So that's why I think they are waiting what will be the outcome when the season ends. If Chiefs, it happens they win a trophy or they finish in a better position, that's where they will decide okay, ngathi nizoyiqala isizini ezolandela nizibambele mathupha, or we're going to find a coach. So that coach naye, I think kuzoba uye ke uzobe sekuqalwa phansi kuyaboniswana ukuthi okay, as a technical director, as a sporting director, as a team manager, as a head of recruitment, this is what I propose on the table. Do you feel like you can work with these players? Because I see now what's the plan that is coming with Terra Maliwa to help Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ithola ama players that they need, not the players that the crowd feel like ukuthi they should be signed by Kaizer Chiefs, because he has been there. He knows and understands the game very well. Since 2008, experience is a lot. But for now, let's talk and discuss about Kuti. What are the options? What are the chances for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingamsign uBusori Tejane? Even if abamsign, do you see it as a good decision? Comment lapana, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for making it this far on the video. Danko, ikos alpilmo.